church.
Okay, back at 3-Star Industries. Got the top of the Can-Am windshield fixed for the aluminum roof. Just needed to be a little bit thinner. This aluminum roof is a little bit closer than the plastic one, so that is done. And look, there she is. Channel's Mischick, baby girl. Wheels and tires, man, they're awesome. But anyway, check this. Yeah. 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 Even with the thickness of it, see them bolts right there? Doesn't stick out any lower than them. That's a thick boy though. You can see the countersunk. You can see they cut their own washers, and there's a spacer up there too. So they got their own spacers, their own washers, and some bolts to bolt right in. Retains all the factory drain holes. You can see where it's been out to be tested, scratched up a little bit. Joint right here. But yeah, she looks great.
Have you talked to Mark yet?
Okay.
No. We got much more dirt.
So this is how it's gonna go, right? You got the bolt, washer. It's gonna go up through the skid plate, and there's gonna be a spacer, and then this push washer. It is directional. You want the points going up. Push it on and get it started. This will hold the spacer in place. And then just screw it on up in there. Okay, here is the factory skid plate. And just to show you the difference. That's the difference you're looking at. And just like that, Can-Am windshield is complete. Just had to go for a little thinner sheet, 1/8 up here, proportion 1/8 for the aluminum roof. But yeah, she is done and looking good. All right, call it a day. Got both of them loaded up there. Pretty much use every possible inch I could. I get some D-rings or some E-Trax for this thing because I really probably need to restrap these wheels. Actually, that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so back in Indiana, heading home. It's been a long day. I'm super tired, but it's super nice out right now. So, still got about an hour and 40 minutes. So I'll be set by then, I'm sure. Still want let's try to get out, maybe ride a little bit tonight. We'll see what happens.